This question is from Usha Tiwari. Swamiji, I have heard you talk about Aham Brahmasmi and Tatvamasi. If that is true, then why are we also told to worship God or do karma yoga? If there is one consciousness, then who is the God we worship, and why should we worship him or her?
This is Vedanta ABCD, Vedanta 101, as you would say in America. Yes. Many of these questions which seem vexing or paradoxical will be easily resolved if you notice one thing. All these confusions arise because we are switching paradigms. And you say, Swami, you teach Aham Brahmasmi, I am Brahman. Tattvamasi, that thou art, you are that. That means you're that ultimate reality. And the next you ask, but we are asked to worship God. We are asked to worship God. Now look at these two. I am Brahman and I worship God. Is it the same I? It's not. The one who says, I worship God, is this individual sentient being. I am this poor creature and the Lord is there in the temple or the church or the mosque, and I bow down, I submit to the Lord, I am devoted, I have faith. This is one I. But when you say, I am Brahman, what has gone on before it? I deconstruct this body-mind identity. I am not the body, not the mind, I am not the ego, not the memory, not the intellect. I am the witness of all of these. That witness consciousness, Sakshi, that is Brahman. Not the person Sakshi, the witness consciousness, that is Brahman. Now, when you say, I am the witness consciousness, there is no question of limitless awareness worshipping a God. What limitless? What God will it worship? Everything is one with it. The whole universe appears in you, that limitless consciousness. There you are not told to worship God. But as long as we feel as this limited creature, struggling with the world and our own lives, then the worship of God is very strongly recommended. Even if you're looking for Vedantic knowledge, enlightenment, there also the worship of God is very strongly recommended. Now, what is this God? In Vedanta, the reality is this one limitless consciousness, existence consciousness bliss. With its power called Maya, this limitless existence consciousness bliss is called God. Let me repeat. In the technical terms in Sanskrit, in Vedanta, limitless existence consciousness bliss, Satchidananda, the term is Nirguna Brahman, Brahman without attributes. That same thing, the same reality, through the prism of Maya, not prism. It will eventually become a prison, but the prism of Maya, that same limitless existence consciousness bliss is called God, the God of religion. In Sanskrit, Saguna Brahman, Brahman with attributes. The moment you talk about Brahman with attributes, you're already in this world. The world is there. There is a God of this world. How do you know? As you know God through faith. Your religion tells you about it. And Vedanta says that's fine. So there is a God, and you are an individual being among many individual beings, and you're struggling with samsara. Take the help of God. It's a great, great support. Sri Ramakrishna said the best way of going through samsara is a little child playing, they catch hold of a pillar and whirl round and round. They're delighted with it. But they're very careful to hold on to the pillar. Because if you let go of the pillar, you'll be smashed. You'll fall down and get hurt. The pillar you're holding on to while going round and round is what you're doing in samsara. Your job, your family, your personal life, all of that. But hold on to God. There you are an individual being and you're holding on to God. Now you might ask, which one? The wisest answer is given by Hanuman. When Ramachandra, who is an incarnation of God, and Hanuman's ideal, Ishta. So Ramachandra asks Hanuman, what do you think of me? So Hanuman says, Deha buddhya dasoham, jiva buddhya twadangshaka, atma buddhya tvamevaham, iti me nishchita matihi. As this body, this Hanuman being, I am the servant, thou my Lord art the master. But it doesn't stop there. As an individual sentient being who has gone through many lifetimes, now I am in this form. I am the part and you are the whole. I am a spark of divinity. You are the bonfire of which I am a spark. And then finally, as awareness, witness consciousness, existence consciousness bliss, you and I are one. Hanuman says to Ramachandra, okay, which one is correct? He says, this is correct, all three. That's why you'll see enlightened ones. They easily move between non-dualism, I am Brahman, and I am a devotee. In the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna, when you see the Sri Ramakrishna Kathamrita, in the same page, he is talking about as a child of Kali, of the Divine Mother. I am the child and God is my mother. Kali is God for him. And he's talking about the limitless ocean of existence, consciousness, bliss. How smoothly he moves between the two. He does not say, for example, oh, I used to think that there is God and God is my mother and I am the child of God. What silliness. Now I know that I am limitless existence, consciousness, bliss. He never says that. He smoothly moves back and forth. Even radical non-dualists like Ramana Maharshi would often speak in very devotional terms. Very devotional terms. Bhakti, love for Arunachala, who is the embodiment of Shiva.